The VW key fob battery replacement is a DIY-friendly task. First, locate the seam on your key fob. This is usually a slot or clip. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently open the case. Be careful not to force it, as VW fobs are designed to snap apart. Once open, the case snaps apart easily. For models with emergency key blades, ensure they remain intact. Identify the battery type. Most VW models use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell, but some older models pre-2010 might use CR2025. Confirm the correct battery type via your owner's manual or VW's online resources to avoid mismatches. Avoid short-circuiting the battery during removal. Dispose of old batteries properly to prevent environmental harm. This process is universal, but may vary slightly by model. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new battery, ensuring correct orientation with positive side up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons near your vehicle to confirm doors unlock and lock. If issues persist after battery replacement, reprogram the fob via the vehicle's infotainment system or at a dealership. Annual battery checks are recommended to prevent inconveniences. Improper handling can void warranties, so consult VW's digital manuals for specific model instructions. Newer VW models like the IDD4 may have rechargeable key fobs that use USB-C for charging, offering longer battery life.